How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from Scale Model Car Guide channel, and today's video is the final on the Revell 1956 Ford pickup. This is the original issue from 1962, and you remember in past videos that I got this kit off of Neiman Chambers, Captain Nemo. And the link will be in the description below. If y'all don't know who he is, get down there and please subscribe to him. Like I said, let me move the car out of the way. This is the kit I started with. He gifted me this kit, sent it to me in the mail. And as a big thank you, I built it. It is an awesome kit, guys. Very, very cool kit. Let's move that out of the way and show you what I've gotten done. But before I show you here what I've gotten done and explain what I've done, I want to thank all my subscribers, all my old subscribers, all my new subscribers. And if you're not a subscriber, it's free, guys. It's free. It don't cost you a thing. Always leave thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever makes your world go around. And anytime I mention somebody in this video or any of the, model community people that I mentioned, will always be in the description below. I always leave my email in the description below the video if you ever need to get a hold of me. Alright, with that being said, I'll show you what I've done here, and then there'll be build pictures at the end in steels. Thank you. Here we go. There she is. That is Testors Inca Gold, and then that is Testors Lacquer Clear Coat. This thing is 100% box stock, except for the bed cover and the mirrors come from Johan kit, and the bed cover come from the AMT 53 Ford, and the tires come from the AMT 53 Ford. And then I've just put chrome, or not chrome foil, but plug wires on it. But the wheels are stock wheels that go on, well, they're custom wheels with the bullet hub, or little bullet caps. The decals, what little bit of decals I did put on it are the actual kit decals. I put them in the window for about a month and let the sunshine hit them, and it bleached them out, and they worked perfect. Other than when I applied the decals, they wanted to curl up. Well, that's why I used the decal set, and that just kind of glued them back down, made them stick. You can see here, let's see, it's got opening doors. I put carpet in there. It's a little filthy. It needs to be vacuumed out, you can see. But it's got carpet in there, black carpet. Let me just get it up here a little bit closer and let you see. Let's see, you might need a different lighting view here. It's got black carpet in it. And the bed just come off, guys. Look at that. I didn't glue it on there good enough. It's alright. I'll glue it back on after this video. Let's see. Get up and get it off this stand. It's got black carpet in it. That's that felt carpet. I did the dash up. Everything color coordinates. That's one of them sewing pins for the shifter. I don't know if you can see the top of the headliner. The headliner's painted the same way. Shut these doors back up here real quick. Show you up underneath here. Got the exhaust, spare wheel, everything. I had to lower this kit down in the back to match the front. There's your grill. There's underneath your hood. I did the white plug wires to go along with the white theme for the firewall and the fender wells. It's got a blower on it. That's the Pontiac engine, painted Inca Gold, just like the kit. She really went together beautifully. There's the bed. I painted it like a wood color, and then I did a darker dry brush on it, and then that's just a silver marker on the rails there. No big deal. I didn't do nothing too special with it. Like I said, my bed's come off. I'm gonna have to re-glue that bed back on there. The tailgate won't come down because I accidentally broke a pin, so it's glued in place. You can see the tail lights on it. Put the decals in the window. I don't know if you can see the dash in there come in very good or not. I did the chrome pin around the windows and then black lined it. Same thing everywhere else. All in all, she was a fun kit to build. Let me open these doors up and give you a good... The doors actually don't open too bad, guys. Look at that. Let y'all get that little turntable. She'll be a dang good display model. I didn't polish the paint or nothing because, you know, back then, that would have probably been about right. I don't think they just truly polish those paint jobs perfectly, you know, and stuff. You're talking about a 60s custom, early 60s, late 50s, early 60s custom. She looks good. Turned out better than I expected. All right, guys.